Hello dear 6th graders, how are you guys? Right now, let's talk about a three-dimensional figure. Mister, what is it? It is a solid. What is a solid? Each kind of solid, guys, is a three-dimension figure that encloses a space. What is it? It's occupied a three-dimensional space, okay? And we have three important parts over there. We have the first one, guys. It is the face, as you can see here. It is the flat surface. Great. Here is my face. I have another one here on the top and on the bottom too. And what is the edge? Is the edge, guys, is the line segment connecting two faces. I have face here, face here. I have an edge between them. It's the line segment. And what is the vertex? The vertex, guys, is the corner. Okay, we have one corner here. Is the point connecting three or more edges. Okay, all the corner here is the vertex. As you can see, I have a color code here to be sure you understand what is it thing. Okay, great. Let's go ahead to the next slide. As we know in the classroom, guys, we work to figure out what is face, what is edge, and what is vertex. Okay, vertex for you is plural. Guys, I think you remember this stuff. Okay, I color here to be sure we understand. In red, it is the face, and we have the edge over here also, and we have the vertex here, the blue, the green point. Great. All here is just to figure out this stuff. And we have two types of solids we are working right now. For we will have more, but let me talk about two. We have the prism, and what is the prism? A prism is a solid with two bases that are congruent and parallel. Okay, I have base here, okay, I have two congruent and parallel bases, and I have rectangles connecting these bases, the prism. Nice. And the name, to rename the prism is very easy because we name it by their bases. The solid to the left is a triangular prism, like here, because the base of the prism are triangles. Great, very easy. A pyramid. Pyramid, guys, is a solid with one base. Pyramid have just one base and sides that meet at one point on the top. Great. Pyramids are named by their base also. And the solid to the left is a triangular pyramid because the base of the pyramid is a triangle. Great, guys. It's very easy to understand. The base is triangle, triangular pyramid. The base is a square pyramid. The base is a rectangle, rectangular pyramid. Very easy, as the same thing we do in prism. Prism and pyramid have the same idea. Guys, right now to understand, we just classify by name, as I told you. Square pyramid, I have a square in the base. Pentagonal prism, I have a pentagon as the base. Great. Rectangular prism, we have a rectangle as the base. Triangular pyramid, we have a triangle as the base. Great. Very easy to understand here. Remember, guys, the sides, the lateral faces for a prism is a rectangle. The lateral face for a pyramid is a triangle. Great. Very easy to understand this stuff. We have the pyramid here and the rectangle. I have more examples here, just sharing, understand these steps. But guys, the most important thing I would like to share with you is the net. What is the net, mister? The net of 3D figures is when a three-dimensional figure is cut and unfolded onto a flat surface. The flat representation is called a net. And mister, how we can draw this one? I told you guys it's very easy. I think you remember our last class. I did it with you. Remember, guys, I have a net. It is we make a 3D figure in 2D. That's the net. Okay? And here how we can do it. As I told you guys, we have bottom and top side, for example, in prism. And remember, we have the side around the the base, it is the perimeter. I don't have the perimeter over there. I would think I have one here. No, we don't have it, but don't worry. I will share it with you. It's very easy to understand and figure out this stuff. Great, but how, mister? How can we draw this one? I will do one for you to understand how we figure out and understand where it is each thing. Guys, the first thing, as I told you, we have this side here. Okay, this is the rectangle. Oh, mister, you cannot see. Okay, let me change here the wave. Now you can see it. Great, in green. And I have another one over there, as you notice. Oh, mister, okay. Do we have more? Yes, we have it. Pay attention here. I will explain everything to you. Great. We have another one there in the back, as you can see here. And what more? And mister, we have this one. Let me just change here this side to be sure everything is working and right. Okay, and we have that other one here. Here it is, all information we got over here. It is the side of this one. Okay, and where is it, mister? In our net. Where is it? It is over here, the green one. Look, there are matchings here. We have the side, it's the lateral. Okay, it's around the sides here, it's the lateral faces here. Okay, mister, we got it. Here is all information around the side, as you can see, is the green thing. But mister, just there, no, we have side here. Look, we have side here, we have this green here. Why, mister? Because they're connecting. It's the same thing. When you fold again the box, or whatever is it, you will see they are connecting sides. Oh, nice. And what else? What else here? I will just copy and paste this other one. And what else we have here? We have on bottom, guys, here. We complete this box. And which color? Let me pick here red. Great. Here on the top. Here again. And here. Great. We have this one, the net. Oh, we have it here in the figure. And where is it in our net? Guys, as I told you, is this side over here, completing our figure. Can you see it? I hope so. Everybody can see it and you understand this thing. Oh, mister, so easy to understand. Yes, is this information here? We have it. It's the top. Look, our information here. Bottom and top. We have a bottom and top. And the biggest side, guys, as you notice here, I have this biggest side here. And which color? Let me pick here, blue. I like blue. Okay, here also, as you notice. Great. It's very important to understand these steps and how to do it. Great. Oops. Here and here on the top, and again here on the bottom. Great, we got it, we complete. And also we have this thing here. It's the biggest side for our net. It's very easy to draw this stuff. But mister, do you have a different way we can do it and we cannot be confused to do? Okay, we have it and I will show it to you. Great. And here's our net. Just for you know, guys, we have blue and red here, blue and red in the top. We have back in the side. We have green and blue. Let me show here for you guys so you understand this stuff. Let me show here the laser point. We have red and blue on the top, red and blue on the top. We have the green and red, Oh, sorry, we have green and blue on the side, green and blue the side here. I'm going over this side, okay? I'm going over here, this direction. On the bottom, I have red and blue, red and blue. And here on this side, front for me, I have green and blue. And the lateral here, I have green and red, green and red. Great. But mister, as I told you guys, we have a other way to do it easily. Yes, we can. How, mister? Can you show us? Yes, I will. I use the blue color here, guys, to draw just one thing. Oops, let me just do it here in the next one. Great. Guys, as I told you, we have here this. It is the net. Okay, we have here, here, and I will do just for one figure, okay? Remember just for you understand, guys, here is this steps I'm doing here. I'm just doing for drawing the net. Remember, okay? Remember. And I'm doing just the same color because I am the perimeter. I use it here for this is the perimeter. Oh, you remember? Yes. Here is the perimeter. And I can copy and paste this is the back. Okay, this is the perimeter because they are congruent. Yes, yes, we are congruent. And as you know, it is the perimeter. Great, very easy to understand these steps. These steps, okay? Here is their figure. But mister, how can we do the net? As I told you, we have the figure here. Copy and paste here. And here is my net. But let me just fix my net here to be sure we have a triangle. Oh, sorry, a square. Okay, here. Just make sure we have a square here. Okay, here, 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 and here. Great, guys. It's not perfect, but it's okay. This is the square, okay, guys? All sides has the same measure. And between these sides, I have my edge. I have another edge here. And just copy and paste this information. Let me change the color here. I use red. Okay, I have this one. I have another one there on the top. I have other one. Oops. I have other one here. And I have the last one over here. Okay, mister, what is it in your drawing here? Is the same thing. Is the height of our figure. Great. Here is the height for our figure. Great, mister. We have the box as we did here. And what else we needed? We have the red one between another box. Okay, we have here. Let me just copy this information here, here, and I have the box here also, as you notice. Okay, mister. And here we finish, we complete our figure. Oops. We complete our figure here and here. Great. We give all unround around the figure here. We go over around our figure one time. And what else, mister, we have here? We finish here. Oh, we have this one, mister. Don't forget. To cover our box, we have this stuff, which is, let me show to you here, guys. Okay, mister, we forgot. Here. Here also goes to straight line here. And another one here. Let me disconnect this one. Great. I think you got it. This information. This go to another side too also. I know it's not perfect, but just for it's a representation. Here and here. Great, guys. Here is our net. If you cover everything, we have this information. Great, very easy to understand. And the triangle, guys, is the same thing. How? How, mister, is the same thing? I would just draw here, guys, first of all, the perimeter. The perimeter for on the triangle on bottom. Great, is the perimeter of this thing. Great, here's the perimeter. Great. And around the perimeter of this thing, I copy and paste because I have on the top also the same thing, the same measure. Great. And I have a rectangles around this one. How, mister? Let's do it this again. Here. And as I told you, I have rectangles around this stuff. Which rectangle, mister? Can you show us? Yes. Around this figure, I have rectangles. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3. Look, I have rectangles around it. Okay, I got it. I have a rectangle here. Oh, mister, but can we do one big and fold? Yes, we can do it. It's better, for real. How, mister, we can do it? Imagine it. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, like you are unfolding or the rectangles here. And I have this cup over here. Not just not one. I will copy 3. Great. I copy 3 here. Like I unfold it. And around I have what? The rectangle, the triangle. How, mister, we have the triangle here? I have the triangle here. Great. Between these, I have here. Great. This measure here, I have around. And where is the rectangle, mister? Can you show us? Here is our rectangle. I have the rectangles around here. I have one rectangle here. Oh, sorry, rectangle, triangle. I have one triangle here. In this side, I have another one in the opposite. And we cover all nets over here. Great, guys, we have the nets over here. It's not perfect, I know, but this is the idea, okay? I have the base, I have the base here, and we have the figure around. Great, we just enclose our figure here. Great, guys, I think you understand this pattern. It's very easy to do it. It's so long, the video was long too. But here we have all figures we need to do. Oh, mister, but we forgot to do one example here for triangle. Yes, that's good. Let's do here the pyramid, the triangular pyramid here also. To be sure we're covering everything. Guys, the triangle pyramid, I'm just copying everything here. Let me put it here. Great, the pyramid here. Let me do the last one here. Okay, better. Right now here, I have another one here. The triangular pyramid, guys, is very easy to do. How, mister? We have a triangle here and the base. Yes, I'm just copying here the base. Great. And around this base, I have 3 triangles. How, mister? I cannot see any. Let me show to you. I have one here. I will change the color here for blue. No, blue I have already. Green. Here, one. Also other up there. And the last one here. Oh, mister, yes, you were right. We have 3 triangles. One here, another one, and one in the back. As I told you, one here, another one, and one in the back. How we can draw this one? Just this, guys. I have one triangle here on this edge. I have another triangle in the other edge because I have one triangle in each edge for my base. Oh, that's true. Very easy to got it, this one. I have one triangle in each edge. The pyramid is very easy because I have triangles in my edges. And I have the last one here also. Great, guys. Remember to label the correct numbers, the correct name for this one. Not name, okay, no problem. But the correct adds, okay? For it's 1, 1 here, 2, 2 over there, 3, 3 over there, and so on. Okay? Don't forget to do it correctly to be sure you have the same thing. And here is our parameter, okay? In net. Guys, that's our class. I hope you enjoy and learn something here. I hope you got this, okay? Bye, guys. See you next class.